Yo, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to share what I really think about the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G in 2023. But if you're brand new to the crew, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So we're going to be taking a look at the A14 5G, and this is the unlocked model with 64 gigabytes. It also does have 4 gigabytes of RAM on this thing with memory expansion. You can see we do have a fingerprint on the side of this device, and then above that you get your volume rocker. And you can see we do, as far as the overall design of this phone, I really like the edges of it because it's kind of rounded but also flat at the same time, so you get a really good amount of grip. As you can see right there, it's just a very nicely designed phone. And then the back of the device is actually made of a nice vinyl finish which has some texture to it, and it kind of feels really nice when you're putting your fingers on it. It gives you a really nice grippy texture to it, and it also doesn't gather too much oils or fingerprints or anything to that extent. So I definitely like this device when it comes to the overall build. You can see the Samsung logo right there at the bottom, and we also have a headphone jack at the bottom with a microphone. You have your Type-C port right here, as well as a speaker on here. And when it comes to the top, you get a microphone above here, and you get your expansion for your storage with this device. So you do get expandable storage up to 128, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But you could probably put like 1 terabyte in there and it probably would work, or 256, but most people will get like the 512 SD or whatever, but you can expand that as well. You also do have the ability to get facial recognition, so you could double tap to wake, get the facial recognition, and that works very quickly. So that's another really nice feature about this phone, is that the facial ID works really nice. And then you get your fingerprint right here on the side. This device just has a nice feel in the hand, but it also has a really nice processing speed. I like the side fingerprint that I could use it for sliding down my notifications on here, so that's definitely very helpful as well. So this device has a nice flow to it because it has the Dimensity 700, and it also has Dolby Atmos for wired headphones and Bluetooth. You also have, just look how smooth this device feels. It just has a really nice overall speed to it. So let's go into the settings real quick so I could kind of show you how I have this device set up. And right now you can see these are some of the advanced features we have. We get the labs with the multi-window full screen pop-up window, so you can slide down like that and do your multitasking on here with the quick windows. That the motions and gestures, so it gives you all the double tap features, as well as the mute and the fingerprint gesture for the side panel that I was talking about. So that's definitely pretty solid. And then if you go into battery and memory, you can basically get really good optimization with this device as well, with the built-in software from Samsung. This device does actually get scanned for malware and stuff like that, so it has some really good software on here with the One UI. Let me just go ahead and take a look at what actual software is running on. It's probably not up to date right now, but this device does get a lot of updates, which is really cool. So it should be getting new updates on here pretty soon. But this device has really good security. So if you were looking for a really secure device, Samsung devices have that built-in security system, which is definitely a standout feature from them. I really like that feature because it keeps your phone safe. You don't have to worry about anything like viruses or malware or anything suspicious or malicious. So no threats were found. Right here you can go into your software updates and you can try to download the latest one, and I bet you there will be one. Actually, it's June 1st is the latest one right now, and it says it's up to date. So I guess that's what it is right now. So June 1st, but right now we're in August. So I just want to mention that. And so it's kind of, it will get updates, but it's from time to time they will skip a few months with this phone. So I just want to mention that. But it has really good customization. You get the 5x5, or you can get the 5x6. Mess around with all of the different settings and the themes and stuff like that in the Galaxy store as well, and in the theme store. But this device does have NFC for mobile payments as well. We're going to take a look at some video on here, and I definitely want to jump into some of the sound quality because, you know, looks like they're getting an update right here for the YouTube. But let's go into videos. And let's just listen to the sound quality real quick. So you get a single speaker on here when it comes to the sound quality. Let's turn that down and show you the picture that we're getting. And that looks absolutely gorgeous on this panel. It's at full brightness right now. Let me go into display settings because I want to see if this is actually running with, it has adaptive bright refresh rate right now. So it's running 90 Hertz refresh rate, which is crazy. So this device just has a premium feel to it. It definitely feels good in the hand. It has a solid display to look at, and this display that we're looking at is a 6.6-inch full HD plus LCD display, and it's going to give you 400 pixels per inch on here with a 80% screen to body ratio as well. So it's going to be pretty decent glass on this device. I haven't had any scratches on it, and it's held up very well. Bluetooth 5.1, and you get wired charging up to 15 watts as well with the 5,000 milliamp hour battery. But this device is going to run you about 199, and I definitely think it's going to be worth it because as far as the performance and most of the features that you're getting on here, this is pretty much what you would need to, like, you know, everything you would need. You get the side panel with all the different widgets on there, and that's going to be extremely helpful for multitasking, but it actually performs very quick on every single task that I'm performing. So I just really enjoy using this device, like I said, when it comes to it. So you also do get your game launcher in this device, so it's like located right here, and that's where you're going to be able to, you know, get updates, get your applications on here, like games mostly. And like I said, this device feels very nice in the hand. It just has a solid feel and weight to it, making it feel real premium. Like, it definitely has a good substantial amount of weight with the 100, and it's actually 201 grams. So yeah, I definitely think, you know, this is going to be a solid experience for most people. Then you get the 64 megapixel camera, which I want to show you in a little bit more detail with some of the features. And this thing just feels really good in the hand. It has some good grip to it. So you can see you could play some games on here. You're not going to have any issues with that. You know, the graphics, the colors, the details and stuff like that look really good. So like I said, it's going to be a good budget phone. You can definitely use this as an adult as well. You don't have to worry about just giving it to a teenager if you wanted to pick one up and have like a secondary phone, or even if you're coming from like an expensive phone and you just want something different, switch to Android and just check out the experience. This one will give you a solid experience overall. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. I do overall like the phone as far as the, you know, the features that we're getting. And so let's jump into the camera real quick. The front is going to give you wide angle for portrait, for photos and stuff. You also get your portrait where you can control the bokeh. You have your video mode on here, which goes to full HD as well as 720. You get the macro camera, on here, which looks really good. So I'm gonna take a picture, slow motion, night mode as well. And you can see the focus is really good on this photo. You can get night mode, and you also get food mode, panorama, and you get on the other side of here, it's going to give you hyperlapse and pro mode with the AR zone. And so AR zone is just like your animated stickers and stuff like that, so you can create like a character right here. So that's kind of cool if you want to like text message with that. I definitely think that's going to be pretty cool. But everything is laid out on this device very well, and so it just makes for a solid performance. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. Let me know what you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy A14. I really think it's actually a really solid device. It has some phenomenal features for the money, and you're gonna get a couple of more years on here as far as updates. So I definitely think it's gonna perform very well for most people's needs, and it gets you through everything that you want to do when it comes to work. And even like if you're a casual user and you're not the type of person who likes to do a ton of stuff, but you can also heavy game on here, so you can definitely get a lot of stuff done. Pictures come out beautiful on this device, very clean, and the colors look very saturated too. So you know, that's going to be something that is going to stand out with this device, is the fact that the video and the photos come out really good. So it doesn't matter what you're taking a picture of, like most of the time it's going to look good. The night mode won't be like the best ever in the entire world, but it's going to give you extremely good detail when it comes to the images and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna hit you guys back in the next video, but hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos. Also, just want to remind you to type "I'm still here" so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'm gonna check you guys later, but I'll check you guys later, okay? Later, crew. Peace.